Hey there, fellow busy bees. Are you tired of wasting time searching for that one receipt from last week's coffee shop trip? Or maybe you're struggling to keep track of your business cards from those important networking meetings? Well, I've got some fantastic news for you. Today we're reviewing an incredible scanner that's about to change the game, the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless. This baby is the ultimate scanning powerhouse, and trust me when I say it's worth every penny. The first thing that catches your eye is its gorgeous, sleek design, available in both black and white, so you can match it perfectly with your workspace. But don't let looks fool you, this scanner packs a serious punch. Let's start with the scanning speed. You might be wondering what 45 ppm double-sided means. Well, simply put, that means it can scan 45 pages per minute on both sides of the paper. That's lightning fast, especially when compared to those flimsy office scanners that take forever to scan a single sheet. But wait, there's more. The iX2500 also features automatic document feeder, ADF, with a whopping 100 sheet capacity. Imagine having all your receipts, contracts, and documents scanned in one go without the hassle of shuffling paper around. It's like having your own personal assistant. Now, let's talk about connectivity. You can connect this scanner wirelessly via Wi-Fi 6 for the fastest and most secure scanning experience possible. No more rummaging through cables or worrying about dropped connections. It also comes with USB-C for added flexibility. One of my favorite features is the ability to customize your scanning profiles. Want a specific setting for receipts, business cards, or even just plain old photos? The iX2500's got you covered. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, you can create profiles in no time and have your scans optimized with ease. But what really sets this scanner apart is its innovative photo and document organization features. Think of it like having your very own personal filing system, effortlessly manage, edit, and use your scanned documents without lifting a finger. Of course, I also want to mention the built-in brake roller system, multi-feed sensor, and skew detection that prevents paper jams and damage. That's what separates the pros from the amateurs, folks. You can have peace of mind knowing your scans are protected against any pesky paper mishaps. Last but certainly not least, the iX2500 is designed with premium materials and robust construction to withstand even the most hectic workspaces. It's a solid, reliable companion for any home office or business on the go. So, what does it all come out to? Well, I'm happy to report that this powerhouse of a scanner has earned an impressive 4.4 star rating from over 284 reviews. That's not bad for something that can genuinely change your life. If you're ready to join the ranks of the ultra-organized and scanning-savvy elite, check out the link below to grab yourself the ScanSnap iX2500 wireless at the best price around.